question: how to check whether a string contains a substring in JavaScript? Your answer: you can check whether a string contains a substring in JavaScript using the includes method. Example: let str equals hello world. Let substring equals world. / check if str contains substring. Let result equals str includes substring. / output true. Console.log result.
Just wanna hold it, don't wanna swim it over. It feels like you got it.
Your question: how do I remove a property from a JavaScript object? Your answer: you can remove a property from a JavaScript object using the delete operator. For example, let person equals name, John, age, 30. Delete person.age. Console.log, person, / name, John. Your question: how do I return the response from an asynchronous call? Your answer: the best way to return the response from an asynchronous call is to use promises. Promises are a way to handle asynchronous operations in JavaScript and allow you to write code that is more readable and easier to debug. For example, if you are making an API call to a server and want to return the response from the API call, you can use promises to do this. / create a new promise. Let promise equals new promise, resolve, reject, equals. / make the API call. Fetch, https://example.com/api/user. Then, response equals. / resolve the promise with the response data. Resolve, response.json. Catch, error equals. / reject the promise with the error. Reject, error. / return the promise. Return promise.